Hey guys, everyone has a one common problem when it comes to separating a egg yolk and egg white. In this video, I will solve your query and plus you will get my breakfast routine heavy egg omelette 5 eggs. I use 5 eggs. You can follow the same based upon your goals and what your coach says to do it, right? So I use 5 eggs, I separate 4 egg whites and I add 1 full egg into it, and you can check the recipe and the making process over here and enjoy this video and make sure that you will try it out and comment below that how it was. Okay, now we are going into the video. 3 2 1 boom. Here I have been using 5 eggs. Okay, you can see that the eggs are dropping out and there is a bit difficulty while adjusting the angle. And let me go. Yes, first I will show you how to separate it. Okay, so let me place the eggs over there, and for this we need a two bowls which I have took. One is for putting the egg white in it, and first we will break it in the middle of the egg such that it breaks into the off, and the shell is very important. While you are see, this is how we need to separate. Take the yolk on the one side and then put it on the other side such that every yolk will be on our hand by in a white shell, and little bit of spillage will happen, it's okay. And that's it, place it on the other side, other container, right, other bowl. And now we will go with another one. I'll show everyone everything every 5 eggs I will be breaking, and that's it. See, break in the middle, open first off on the one side, second on the that side, and that's it. You can go over there and it will be, that's it, you can paste it on the other container. And two yolks already separated and two egg whites we have here. Okay, so there are a lot of what we say, machines are available, tools are available to separate the yolk. Not necessary, we can do just like this. I have learned somewhere and I'm teaching that same to you. Okay, that's it, simple. And separate it and put it on the other side, very easy. I become a master in this actually. I'll do it very fast. Okay, I'm taking a 5x and this is fourth one. That's it, you can see, yes, out. And that's it, we'll take on the other side and put it on the container. Okay, it's done and done. And one egg, last egg, I use the full egg for that. Okay, and it will be a very simple recipe and you can prepare if you are urged to your work or going somewhere. This will be a very high rich in protein and it is very good. We have taking only one yolk and that's it. I would prefer two yolk and I have took one yolk over here. And let me see, let me add some salt towards it, and as per your taste I'll add the salt. And I will go with the pepper powder. Pepper powder is a very good, I use pepper powder, and this is just 10 rupees packet pepper powder which is available nearby shop. And I took that, and that's it, two pepper powder. And now we will add one onion and one tomato to this. And I'm chopping the onion over here, and it's very simple. Chop it finely. Okay, very fine. Don't disturb your mom, don't disturb your sister, just do it by yourself. Very simple recipe, and this will be the breakfast. If you have been interested, and comment below, I will share my lunch and dinner as well. Very simple one, and frequently I use this. See, I will chop it very fine, though I am somewhat good at chopping, I think so. Share me in the comment section how I have been chopping over here. And I learned somewhere from seeing by the chefs. Okay, and this is the way you will chop, and chop it very fine. Okay, such that when you are eating it and it will come in your mouth, bite, and it feels very good. Okay, just chop it. You can do this a scramble egg. I'm trying to put it like an omelette, and let's see what happened. See, very simple one, and one side has been done. I'm going with the other one. and for that you need a good knife, and this knife is pretty good. I can do it very easily in that. See, I'm chopping very fine, good. I appreciate myself over here, and it's not a big deal. And that's it. I've done with my chopping the onion. Now I will go with an tomato. I took only one tomato, and usually I will not use tomato or onion, and this is a preferable optional. You can go with the just salt and pepper powder itself if you like, but when you add these two, and it gives a little bit high flavor, and it will be good while eating also. Okay, it will have a good what we say taste also. I will not add any spices over here. If you need, you can add spices too, and I will not add any spices over here, and just I'm chopping it finely. Yes, see, very fine. And that's it. And we can next we can put an omelette over there. Again fine chopping is very good. And that's it. We take the egg whites, 5 egg whites, 4 egg whites, and 1 whole egg, and just put it everything into that. Grab and down. Nice, right? So that's it. See, this recipe is very convenient to everyone out there, those who are looking to have a quick breakfast. Okay, very quick breakfast, and this is what we can go through, and it's very healthy actually. So a lot of them eat everything, but if you try this, and the cost of this will come around 25 to 30 rupees. Imagine, if you are going and eating outside, minimum 30 rupees they'll charge for any tiffin out there right now. But if you invest just 30 rupees, you will get a 5 rupees one egg also, and you can easily make this in your room or in your home, and it is very healthy too. Nicely, you should have a beater, and you can use anything. I'm using my spoon over here. Beat well such that the pepper, the what salt, and our onion and tomato mix very well. And when it comes to pan, I use a normal pan. And for oil, I will not use oil. I always prefer using a butter is a healthy fat and gives a lot of energy. One thing I need to say you, by eating the fat you will not become fat. And yesterday we have cooked some organ meat, and there are some fat remained on the tawa. It's okay, I'll put the butter, whole sum of butter, I'll take it. Okay, let me go. And yes, this is Nandini butter which I have been using. You can use any butter. Butter is a very good one. Use it for cooking. See, I have dropped the slice of a butter, and it is spreading like melting. See how it is melting. Wow, that's crazy amazing, right? It's melting like very nice. And that, there we go, and that's it. Once we pour the omelette upon this, right, spread the butter all over the pan by just rotating it, and keep it over there and just pour the mixture which we have made it. Look at the beauty. That's it. See, pouring is something I love to do that. And here we go, there is nothing. And we can just see how the fat is healthy fat. Guys, don't worry regarding that, you will not become fat by eating fat. Just it should boil, and let that boil. And meanwhile you can adjust the corners. We have a lot of mixture, right? It should be like it should boil overall. And don't mind that if doesn't boil also, it's not a big matter at all. Check it out, let it boil. Meanwhile, it has been came very good, but still at the middle there are some portion which has not yet cooked properly. But it's okay, no problem. We try to what we try to put it that on the other side and spread evenly like this. Okay, do the same stuffs, and if you have enough skill, you can turn it out Frequently this will turn, but this time I have been flopped. Though I'm making this video, it doesn't turned up very well. But it's okay, not a big deal, and you can cut it into half if you needed. You can cut into half and you can split it evenly. And I tried here to flip completely, but still yet failed over here. Okay, we can you can try it in your own terms, not a problem at all. You can just pick it and see. I have been cutting over here, but afterwards I didn't try that. Once you can cut and you can flip the omelette where it will turn around, not at all a problem, and it's very easy when it comes to doing these stuffs. Okay, simple one. And don't leave it for too much of time. It may burn on the other side. And here we go, and it's flop. It doesn't turn up well, but still it's okay. It's okay, not at all a problem. It will be a very good, and it will be a tasty also. Leave it some time over here, and just transfer this to your emmy plate and enjoy it with a sauce if you like. I usually prefer, I love sauces, and I use a ketchup. Okay, tomato ketchup. I use tomato ketchup and I have it with beautifully, and the taste was really amazing. I'm giving this voice over after I'm completing this. And let me transfer this to my plate. Yes, that's it. Let me transfer it to my plate. And here we go, we're done with it. Hope you like this video, and kindly share with your friends who ask for an omelette lover, or do anything like share and subscribe. You like this video, and the way it has turned up is very well. I love this, and I have ate that completely, and it was really awesome. Try it on your own and just comment below. I have been tried and it was amazing, or what? How was the recipe? Give me some feedback such that I will make more content like this for you people. That's it. Signing off. This is Aksharam. If you want to train with me, and if you want to focus and bring up, level up your fitness, and you can just leave a comment below, or I will leave the description link over here, and you can contact me on my Instagram handle. DM me, and I'll take you through my journey, and I will help you to get better than previously. And I have been helping people. And that's it, guys. See you until then. Bye bye. Take care and stay life fit.